So the next part that we want to do is I'm going to do this tiny little teardrop here that has got a couple of circles on top. So we're first going to do the circles and then we're going to do the teardrop. After this teardrop, we're going to move on to this bigger bottom section and we're going to leave this triangular section for last. So first we're going to do these circles and then we're going to do them freehand. I'm not going to work with the ball and cup tool because I've got too much of a raised area here that I might damage. So I prefer to do them freehand. I'm going to do them all in one go. I'm confident that they are evenly spaced out. Here we go. I'm going to do the other one as well. I'm going to do all of them in one go again. So on the front of our pewter, on our liner, we draw in the outlines of the circles using the Teflon tip. And then we're going to flatten from the front again. So we're going to remove the liner and then we can flatten around the little circles. And I'm not going to try and get into in between. The paper stump is just too big for that, so I'm just flattening on the outside edge. We will use the skew flat okay. Then we can tidy up, and we can now tidy up in between the circles as well. So I'm first going along the edge and now I'm flattening towards the circles and in between. You don't want to flatten towards that design because then you lift up that design rather than your circles. So if you don't have enough height, we can now go back after tidying up and then add a little bit of height from the back. So again, I'm first going to flatten that edge, and then I'm going to flatten towards my circles. So now we're going to add a little bit of height from the back. So we turn our pewter face down. We place it on our soft surface, so upside down. And then I'm going to color in those circles just a little bit to raise them up. And I'm using a circular motion with soft pressure. Then we're going to turn it face up again, and then we need to flatten around. Okay. So now we can do the outline of that tear shape so that we can lift up the entire design. So back onto our liner, from the front of our pewter, I'm going to draw in that tear shape. And then we can flatten from the front. So from the back of our pewter, we're going to lift up that little piece again, and I'm using my fingers, and I'm on my soft surface. So I'm first going to lift up the entire design a bit, and then I'm going to take the paper stump and just redefine that little circles. Then we go back to the front of our pewter on our hard surface, and then we flatten around. There we go. So we're almost done with the bottom part. We have one more big section, and then the little triangles in between these two sections.